Imagine a fleet of collaborative mobile robots that could optimize your workflow, increase productivity, and reduce costs. What if it was 100% automated and could collaborate with employees? And what if it was fast and easy to integrate into any type of factory layout? Sounds like something from the future, right? Actually, it isn't. Let me introduce you to Mobile Industrial Robots, MIR, an efficient and flexible mobile industrial robot solution. So how exactly does the MIR fleet work? Let's have a look. Now the employee here would like to send the item he's just finished working on to the next production line. With the press of a button, a MIR robot is summoned. Once the button has been pressed, a signal is sent to the MIR fleet management software. The fleet management software runs behind the scenes and manages all the MIR robots. The system automatically instructs the appropriate robot to navigate to the source point. The item is placed on the robot and is ready for transit to its destination. The robot drives 100% autonomously and can easily navigate around obstacles on its way. The fleet management software automatically adjusts traffic in real time, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Now the robot has delivered the item to its destination. If there's nothing else in the queue, the robot can be set up to automatically park in a preset parking spot and recharge. The robots can also be summoned via tablet, automatic communication from production lines, or via your ERP system. You even have the possibility to create rush orders that are placed in the front of the order queue. Because the robots drive autonomously, they can perform complex maneuvers, such as navigating across multiple floors. If a robot encounters an obstacle that it can't navigate around, a notification is automatically sent to the user that an action is required. When the item has reached its destination, the robot automatically sends a notification. The top modules are easy to change, so the robot can be redeployed for different tasks. Whether transporting small, medium, or large items, we've got the solution to automate your internal transportation and logistics. Programming the MIR robots is simple. The user-friendly and intuitive interface allows for fast and hassle-free implementation. And you get customizable dashboards that make it easy for you to tailor the interface to your individual needs. At MIR, we know that factory layouts change rapidly. That's why we made it easy to reprogram routes. A few clicks and you're ready to go. It's that simple. MIR is one of the fastest-growing companies in collaborative robotics. Our solutions are used all around the world and are helping companies to increase productivity, profitability, and to streamline workflows. Contact us today to learn more about how we can help automate your factory layout. MIR Robots.